Hey guys, it's John here, and in this video we are going to talk about Womply PPP loan review. I will start from a quick overview of what PPP loan is, who can apply for this loan, and finally we'll go to the platform when you can actually apply for PPP loan, and this process is very easy. Make sure to watch the whole video to not miss anything about PPP loans. With all being said, let's get started. By the way, here on my channel we are talking about money, investing and personal finances. If you are interested in these topics, consider subscribing. My channel is pretty young, so your likes and subscription will be very helpful and highly appreciated. If you already know everything about PPP loans, you can skip this part and go straight to this time of the video. The Paycheck Protection Program (PPP) is a loan designed to provide a direct incentive for small businesses to keep their workers on the payroll. Borrowers may be eligible for PPP loan forgiveness. SBA Small Business Administration is currently offering PPP loans until May 31, 2021. President Biden announced program changes to make access to PPP loans more equitable. The Paycheck Protection Program (PPP) is administered by the Federal Small Business Administration (SBA) and provides COVID-19 relief funding to small businesses, as well as individuals who are self-employed or independent contractors if they meet program size standards. A PPP loan is designed to provide a direct incentive for small businesses to keep their workers on the payroll. PPP loans are eligible for full or partial forgiveness if the money is used for qualifying costs including payroll, rent, mortgage interest, utilities, worker protection, supplier costs, operation costs, and property damage costs. And now probably you have a very popular question, which is, can I apply for PPP loan if I'm a sole proprietor, independent contractor, or self-employed? And the answer is yes. PPP is available to sole proprietors, independent contractors, and self-employed individuals, as well as gig workers. For these individuals, annual business net profit up to $100,000 can be counted as a payroll cost. Another very important question is, how is my PPP loan amount calculated? The SBA has issued specific instructions for how all PPP lenders must calculate the loan amount. If this is your second PPP loan and your business is not a restaurant or hotel, the PPP loan amount will be equal to your verified average monthly payroll on the file form, your PPP loan application, multiplied by 2.5. On February 22, President Biden announced changes to the Paycheck Protection Program. One change allows the self-employed to apply using gross income as long as they filed Schedule C. So, for example, last year you earned $50,000, but your expenses were $30,000. And you still can apply for PPP loan based on your gross income, so it's $50,000. As I told before, the great thing about PPP loans, now you are able to receive a PPP loan even if you are sole proprietor. For example, if you are an Uber or Lyft driver, or you have done deliveries like DoorDash, Grubhub, Postmates. If you aren't running payroll, your PPP loan amount will be calculated using your gross income as reported on line 7 of a 2019 or 2020 Schedule C. To find your average monthly payroll expense, take your gross income up to $100,000 and divide it by 12. Take your average monthly payroll expenses and multiply it by 2.5. This will be your PPP loan amount. So now let's go to the Womply platform where you can actually apply for the PPP loan, and Womply made this process very easy. By the way, I am an affiliate partner with Womply, so I will get the commission when you will get the PPP loan using my link. But I recommend this platform because Womply really made the process of PPP loans application extremely easy, and I personally applied for PPP loan using Womply. When you first open the Womply website, you see the form when they ask you your name, email and phone number. Please go ahead and fill out the form and click the next. On the next step, Womply asks you to mark checkboxes before you start your application. Make sure you have Schedule C from your tax report 2019 or 2020 and the number on the line 7 is positive. If this number is positive, you are eligible for PPP loan. Then Womply will send you an email. Please go ahead and click on confirm link in your email. Then you will need to verify your phone number. After that, you will see the notification from Womply to ensure that all information that you provide is true. read it carefully and click Next. Then you will see notification about not sharing your personal information with anyone. On the next step, you will see overview of all information that you will need to provide to Womply. Go ahead and complete your basic info and certify key facts. Then you can skip the demographics part. Click on the Next and provide your bank information. You can just link your bank, how I did, but also you can provide bank information manually. On the next step, Womply will ask you to provide tax documents. Prepare your tax Schedule C from tax return 2019 or 2020. It should be just a couple of pages. Then they will ask you general questions to make sure you did everything properly. On the next step, they will ask you what is your income on Schedule C. Go ahead and check your Schedule C line 7 and type to the input field. They will ask you Schedule C income 2 times. Don't worry, it's normal. Then select the option that describes you the best. On the next step, select one of the options that describes your business the best. After that, you will need to select a PPP stimulus plan. Go ahead and do it. After that, you will get an overview of all information you provided. Please check everything carefully. After that, you will get the notification about first and second draw loans. After that, you will be asked to verify yourself. Turn on the camera and during verification, turn your head left and then right. After submitting the application, you will be asked to verify your identity by providing ID. And basically, you are done. Just wait a couple of days and you will get a form to sign. And then wait till the lender sends money to your account. Womply application for PPP loan is extremely easy and everything is automated. When you will get your loan, Womply will automatically send you the application for PPP loan forgiveness once you are eligible for that. Also, if you selected to get first and the second draw loans, you'll be notified when you can apply for the second one, because you can do it only when you already applied for the first one. Basically, you don't have to do anything else. Just check your emails and provide information to Womply. Thank you guys for watching this video. I remind you that the link for the Womply PPP loan application in the description. I hope you took something good out of this video. Feel free to check out my other videos. On my channel, we are talking about money, investing, and personal finances. So if you are interested in these topics, consider subscribing. Thanks again for watching and see you in the next one.